Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julia. In today's video we are going to do this palette is not new. I'm sure it's many out there. When I received my order 2 weeks ago now from Juvia'splace, so this is one of the palette I got. I got 2 palettes. I used one before. It's somewhere here now. That was a Zulu palette by Juvia's, and this one is Afrique by Juvia's. And yeah, I thought I would just do tutorial / review because that's what I always do on this palette. You have 12 shades, I'm sure. I'm just gonna quickly swatch some shimmers for you, if that's okay. That looks so promising, so unbelievable. You see that? I know when it's on your skin it's different from when it's on your eyes. So this is the last shimmer. So I need to prime my eyes now for I'm using pillows. The green one. Gonna go in with this green shade. It's called Ninja Pack. Ninja or Ninja all over my crease, I think. I'm just stamping it in, guys. I am not blending yet. To get the pigment how I really want it. This is what I have been doing lately. I'll take a different brush, Aya or Aya. If it's up to me, I'll say Aya. In English, it will be Aya, I think. But however, I don't know. This is annoying me now. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure I blend up here with Aya. I'm gonna go back in because I want this green to be very intense, to be very showing. I'm gonna go in with quite small brush. I have this here. I am gonna go in with Bintu, which is like reddish shade. Oh, I don't know, my eyes is... Oh, is this brush still wet? That would be a shame. So I'm just gonna stamp this here. Okay, so let's call crease now, guys. So to call me crease, I'm doing half moon today. I just put some P. Louise base back in my hand, not much. Right, that's cut crease now. My crease is cut, as you can see. So now let's start by, I'm gonna go back with this shade called Bean 2. Just gonna blend this area as much as I can. Wow. Okay, on here I'm just applying the shade called Cotonou, which is really lovely. I love this shade so much. I forgot to show you before I started applying it. Oh Lord, this is gorgeous. Setting spray, just picking it from the palette. Look at how it's showing. Wow. Just still not dry. I have so many shimmers here. I feel like this is not enough. I want to put something just here. But what shade will I go for? I'm leaning toward these two here. This very one and this one. I think I'll go with this very one here. Yeah, on here I just started applying Angelique. Angelique is the shade I'm applying now. It's so beautiful. I'll go back in with Bean 2 now. We want this area back. Go back in with that green shade we used before, which is Niger. I need this green back, whether we like it or not. That's where the cut crease is, so we need the right back. I'm gonna go in with Aya. Need it back. Everything we lost as a result of cutting crease and all, we need them all back. Right, okay guys, it looks like I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera. All right guys, welcome back. This blue, you know, when it comes to color, I just don't want to compromise for anything less. It's colorful palette, so let's go colorful. Right, I'm just gonna dab it here. I can tell it's very pigmented. Corner. I don't want to go. I don't want to do gold. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. My mind is telling me to use the green one. Let's see how it goes. If it's not poppy enough, we use something else. I didn't intend to take it down, but I just did. You know what guys, we don't care. We don't care. Well, we don't care. I like the way I stretch it a bit this way and this other way. To be honest, I don't know, for some bizarre reason which I cannot explain, lipstick seems to be the last thing in my mind. Like, it's now what we call the final look. Eyeshadow palette is absolutely beautiful. Now I see the reason when people rave about it. When I was applying this shade on my lid, I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This was a bomb. I used this one to blend it out. It was good. I put this on my outer corner or outer V. It was good. Apply this on my inner corner. Punchy, mint, sick. Then I went in with this on my bottom lash, you know, to diffuse that black eyeliner. I truly like this eyeshadow palette. You know, this is just my personal opinion. I like this eyeshadow. Would I recommend this eyeshadow palette? Hell yeah, I will recommend this eyeshadow palette. And I'm glad I have one now. Not one, at least two of juvia'splace eyeshadow. I have two now in my collection. You know the drill, guys. You know the drill. When we have something like this, we're gonna have to use it. So guys, if you live in the UK, juvia'splace eyeshadow palette currently available in the UK. Is available on Beauty Bay. I think Beauty Bay is UK website that represent all like international brand, like brand that you can't find, you know, in Superdrug or Debenhams or Selfridge. They are there in Beauty Bay. You just need to type the name of the brand you're looking for, then they will show you what they have from the brand. So Beauty Bay, they actually have the juvia'splace eyeshadow palettes, and I think they also have what is it called now, not setting powder, highlighter. They also have juvia'splace highlighter on their website. But their foundation and concealer, I'm not sure if that one is currently available yet in England. But I now see on Instagram story yesterday that the juvia'splace foundation, concealer, and setting powder is currently available in Nigeria. I was like, you guys are bad. Can you make it available in Nigeria and you still yet to be available in England? I felt a bit jealous, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it for today now, guys, and everything is done, and yeah, that's it. I will definitely recommend this palette. Like I mentioned before, the eyelashes I use obviously is one of ours, this style Ella. So if you want to go and get Ella, you can get it from www.makeupitime.com. That's where you will get all our lashes from. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and what else, follow us on Instagram. We also on Facebook page is at Makeup It Time with Julia. Anyway, guys, so I will see you on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye bye, guys.